Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make makeup videos and live streams and exercise videos and just all kinds of lifestyle things. So if that's what you like, then please subscribe. Today I did an unboxing for the July 2025 EyeScream and I did a look with the Dede signature palette that came in it. So if you want to see how we do this look and want to see the unboxing, then keep watching. Hi guys, so today while I'm getting ready, we're going to unbox and look at some of the things from the July 2025 EyeScream Beauty Box. You know, some people have already done these, so you know, I'm not going to go into all the details about it. You know, if you probably already watched it, but anyway, it's just a beauty subscription box from EyeScream. You can go into EyeScream, search it on Google, and I think it's $29.99, and that includes the postage. So anyway, I already did open it so I could get some of the packaging off. And first we'll start off with the stuff that I'm not interested in. Okay, we got this little teddy bear thing full of a single eyeshadow. I'm absolutely not interested in that. I'm going to put that away and probably give it to one of my grandchildren or daughter or something. What did they say about this? Chroma Club. They said this was $20. Anyway, I'm not interested. I'm not going to open it. And I'm not interested. Then we've got a baked eyeshadow by Medusa. I don't know that I've seen any baked. I used it. I'm not crazy about the color. We're not going to use it today. I'm not saying I will never use it. But right now it's going to go in the stash to give away. I kind of like palettes. I'm not into single eyeshadows. That's the only thing about this. And gray's really not my color, or silver. I don't know what you would call that. But anyway, and that was supposedly $14. Okay. Then we have a Tiger Lilly. Was it Halo Glow? Rare, Radiant, and Wild, this glowing highlighter. Okay, so this is a highlighter. I did take the plastic off, so I wouldn't be fumbling around with that. It looks kind of orangey. We might wear this today. I mean, I don't hate this. I've got plenty of highlighters. It's got sort of an orange cast to it, so I don't know. I don't know if they're all that way or not. See if I rub it in. Kind of take some of it out. But it's a highlighter. Does it look any sparkly to me? No. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let's do another one. So, let's do this. So, I don't know. I'm not, okay, so. I really don't even see any sparkle. I'm going to be honest. Maybe it is. If you use it over some peach blush or something, it may be okay. This might go into the box with the girls too. Okay, the next thing we got two more things. Now, this is a lip palette. Cheeky Rose Beauty. See what it say. Oh, that Tiger Lily was supposed to be $12. This, lip palette's $22. I'm interested to try this. A lot of people weren't that excited about them, but the only thing is, I don't know if you use a brush or not. It'd be hard to carry in your purse because if you used a brush, it would get icky. You know, carry that. Maybe you could use your fingers. We'll try it. We'll give it a try. I mean, I don't hate it. I wish it came with a brush. So. Now, the main thing that I was excited about getting was this palette, and it's supposed to be worth $40. So, of all the things, I spent $30 and got a $40 palette, and really the only thing that I really wanted was this. And I'm not saying I don't want the lip stuff. I'm saying I don't know. So, we'll see. But anyway, so this is Dede Signature Lioness Heart Pressed Pigment Palette. So these are the colors, and these little white things, they are covering up the shimmers. I guess it's a little bit of protection. Let's see if I can get this other one out. And we're going to use this today. So here's the colors off, and the mirror is real cute. I mean, I can't see out of it. I think it's embossed with their thing, so I think that's kind of neat. This is the first time I've had any DC signature. So the colors we're going to wear today is probably orange and brown and orange and brown. We could wear the purple. I don't know. We'll decide in a second when we get ready. Okay, so that is the unboxing part. The rest of it, let's get started on the get ready with me part where we try these on, okay? So I went and just looked at the top that I was going to wear today. And it looks like I can wear yellow and blue and orange and brown. So we're going to go with... we might mix some of these other colors in here too. We're going to use that's a greeny brown. Here's a brown. And here's another brown. I really felt like a clown yesterday without my lashes on. I wore green, and I didn't think I had on too much, but it just, without any lashes, it was just a mess. And so, I just felt weird all day. So anyway, so let's get started. What colors we're gonna wear? Let's start with, we can wear red. I don't want red. We can wear orange and brown. So we can put in some pink. We could wear green. We wore green yesterday. Let's stick with the orange colors, okay? So let's go. We're just playing this by ear. So it seems kind of vibrant. This is my first experience with this brand. She's an indie brand, Dede Signature. I did pull up her website because I thought, well, I'd buy some more. And I know, the EyeScream's got a bag too that has 2 little 5-pan palettes in them. And I considered getting those, but I thought, no, because those are, I think, like $13, and then you have to pay postage. And so I didn't want to. Plus, if I could have just bought one bag, that's fine. But I don't want another subscription that I have to cancel or whatever. I don't know. And I've got another palette coming. So, anyway, got a bit of orange there. See what this brown looks like. Okay. I don't know what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and put the shimmer on our lid. I'm going to use the same brush. And I think I tried to do a halo yesterday, and it was just too much. It was just too much. Too dark and too much. Let me grab my big mirror real quick. Well, this orange is pretty, but we've got to spruce it up some. We don't want just plain orange. We don't have any blue in this palette, so we can use brown. We got green in the palette, but I don't have any green in the top that I'm wearing. It's got blue. But we don't have to always match our clothes. But I think I would like to. Let's do some more of that orange. We could put some red on here, but I don't know how red's going to look. Let's see what shade the red is. Well, the red might look okay on top of the orange. Let's go ahead and just try a little bit of the red at the outer end and see how that looks. It'll kind of darken up the orange a little bit. That doesn't look so bad. We'll just have to get it blended in good. Yeah, that doesn't look so bad. I was kind of concerned, but mixed with the orange, blend it in, it's going to be good. Alrighty, so let's try to do some more blending with just this brush that we had. It doesn't have any red on it. It just has that orange that we had. And I'm going to add a little bit more shimmer orange. Now then, for our inner corner, they've got a silver up here that'd be pretty. It could go with anything. They've got it up here like it's for the top row, but we could be worn for anything. So let me find a brush. That silver looks pretty. Mixed with the orange, it doesn't look quite so silver. Or maybe it's just the light, but it kind of mixes in. Looks a little yellow or gold, which that's gonna go perfect what I'm wearing today. I don't know if I'm gonna do an outfit at the day of this one or not because I've worn this before. That looks good. I'm kind of putting that in the front of the eye. Now let's add with our angle brush, if we can find it, or a different brush. Wipe it off good. I gotta swap out brushes this weekend. So let's add some brown under our eye. So, we got two shades of brown. We got this shade on the orange row, and we got the darker brown. Let's see. I think I like the darker brown. We'll start with, and we might do something else with the other shade of brown. But we'll start with that dark shade of brown. Alrighty. Kind of angle that out a little bit. Actually, this is going on pretty good. It's not smearing. That I wore yesterday was awful. It may just been because I didn't feel good too. But that Blend Bunny, I've got a Carnival palette coming. The Blend Bunnies were all sold out, or I probably would have got that. And then I did some searching, and so let's blend that in. That darker color. We will just blend that in the corner a little bit. And I'm not going to use that lighter shade of brown. I like this dark shade. Alrighty, I think that looks real good. And so I hadn't been wearing any lashes the last few days, but I just did not like the way I looked yesterday. So we're going to be super careful and put some lashes on anyway. Let's do a little bit of sunscreen. I've got what I put on my face skincare is some nectar and some hydrating serum. I did sleep last night in the balm and the ointment. I might sleep in the ointment tonight, I don't know. We're supposed to do it 7 days, but I didn't during the day yesterday. And I was really dry by the time I got home. Anyway, so we got some tinted sunscreen. This came from the doctor's office that I paid for. Nothing is given to you, I assure you. And it's just like some that I had open. So I'm going to go ahead and use what I've got open instead. And until it's all out. Okay, just some setting powder. Now let's try some blush. And we're going to use our new lip palette, and we might just use our finger for that. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to try to make it where it doesn't so hard for me to get off. I'm just going to use regular eyeliner that does not have any adhesive in it. That way it's hard to look as bad as I looked yesterday. Yeah, that looks really good. Looks like it's got all different shimmers in it. I might go on the EyeScream thing and go ahead and buy me that bag too, and then I can just cancel it. We broke a mirror, dropped it multiple times. It's okay. Okay, a little bit of brush. And yesterday I forgot to put on blush, but I just felt so caked up because I was trying to cover up all that dry skin and stuff. I feel a lot better today. We're just going to use a little bit. Okay, what about this highlighter? Are we going to give it a try? So, I think I will go ahead and get me another mirror next time, be a little bit more careful. It was really smaller than I liked anyway, but. Okay, I don't see no highlighter. That's gonna go for the girls. They can use it for something. It doesn't look sparkly, or I don't know. I don't see any glow. Anyway. So we're going to use some real highlighter. Fortunately, we didn't put a whole lot on there. Okay, so let's do our eyes, top of our eyes. Now then, let's do one on our nose. So now we're going to try out this lip stuff, but I do not want to get goop on one of my brushes. So we're just going to, if you like my hands, I did a nail video, posted it last night, of course. So what were these called? Wild Venus or something like that. You can look through my YouTube videos. Okay, so we've got orange going on, and they do have some like coral and orangey colors here, so I'm just going to use my finger because I don't want to dirty up a brush. And we might put some, so it doesn't seem real, it doesn't really seem real emollient or anything. It's like, not like gloss, maybe it's just because I'm used to the gloss. It might be kind of like lipstick. I don't know if I'd keep this in my purse or not. Right now I got so much stuff in my purse, it's kind of heavy. So that was the kind of orangey color on top of my normal colored lips. And that's what it turned out like. So I'm going to put a little bit of gloss on top of this City Lips. Okay, so now I'm going to take my rollers out and we will come back with the finished look. I definitely feel better today than yesterday. Anyway, so I'm back. This is the finished look. I hope you like it. This is a shirt I picked out. That's the reason we wanted orange, because we had orange and blue, but we didn't have any blue. And there was some brown in there too. So that's the reason I like to match my makeup with my clothes. Now, if you're wearing neutral, you can wear that with anything, but I'm not a neutral girl right now. So anyway, thank you for watching. Be sure and give me a subscribe and a like, and we will see you next time.